First, I want to clear up something. I had said in a previous video that Adobe Firefly, you had to buy it as part of a subscription package. I don't know where I got that idea. I saw it somewhere. That is not the case. It appears to be very affordable here. So I wanted to correct that because I hate it when I say stuff wrong. So in this video, I'm covering using brands and colors in my image prompts when I'm generating these mock-ups using artificial intelligence. So the first one I did is a Gildan 6400 in the color Carolina blue. So you can see the color is up here. So I'm using Creative Fabrica Spark, Canvas Magic Media, Adobe Firefly, and DreamStudio. And you can see that the only one that got this right was DreamStudio, and I think it's an exact match. Canva restricted me because I used the brand Gildan. So that was a problem. So that's the blue. So then I tried something a little harder. I tried Heather Maroon, and I thought Spark actually did a fairly decent job. I mean, they all missed the mark on this one, and none of them were able to capture that. But I did think Spark did good. Canva, of course, restricted it. Adobe did a weird thing on the sleeves, and on every picture they had white stripes on it, and so I was not impressed at all. DreamStudio looks great. If only that was a Heather Maroon. Okay, and then finally I changed. I said, okay, let me try to do a Bella canvas in a dark lavender. So here's your color key here. And actually, Canva did not restrict this one. So it's not restricting Bella canvas. I thought all of them did good except for Spark. The color was wrong. The fit is wrong. The person is not really attractive for a mock-up photo. Her hair is beautiful. But anyway, I was really impressed with this Bella Canvas lavender t-shirt. So anyway, don't forget to check out my Etsy store. If you want to learn how to use prompts to generate mock-up photos that are absolutely gorgeous and very inexpensive, check out my Etsy store. Also like the video and subscribe for more. I'm jumping into this deep, guys. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on using artificial intelligence to generate images, specifically mock-ups.